Hello viewers, by the end of this video you came to know that why we shouldn't download and install unknown APKs and apps, how the hackers will hack our Android mobile, and the third thing is what they can do with our Android phone. So please watch till the end to get a clarity of these things. Don't waste the time, let us start the video. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Technical Star. If you are visiting for the first time my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show how the hackers will hack our Android mobile by using a very simple technique by using Kali Linux operating system. And I'm going to show a virtual Android mobile in my system only. And I'm going to hack Android mobile version 5.0, and I will also show you what the things the hacker can do with our hacked mobile phone. And these are all the things I have mentioned here that a hacker can do with our hacked mobile phone. And finally, at last, I'm going to help the beginning hackers who are watching my video. I will give a link in the description where we can find IP addresses so that we can able to hack the Android phones with the IP addresses, so that we can practice a lot by doing manually. And that website will contain the IP addresses of some mobile phones which can be hacked easily. So without wasting time, let me start the video. Here this is the point of view of the hacker. Here the hacker is trying to create an APK file which is going to be installed by the victim. Here a small notice, the viewers who are having a zero technical and zero coding knowledge can skip my video to 3 minutes 30 seconds. Yes, here the hacker is trying to create an APK for the victim. Here you can see these are the commands to create an APK for the victim. This is a very simple process. Here we can see that he is using a very simple Kali Linux operating system. Let me explain you briefly some of the terms here. Let me explain it. Here the -p refers to payload, which means we have to select or target is Android mobile phone. So I have selected an Android mobile phone, Android meter payload here. And here the lhost refers to IP address of the listener. In our case, listener is Kali Linux machine. So I have entered my IP address and I would like to receive connection back in my port 8080. So by giving lhost and lport and by selecting payload, we just created an APK file which is sent to victim or our target users to download and install it. Once that user have installed that app and just opens it, then we will get our reverse connection to our Kali Linux operating machine. Whenever that reverse connection is set up from that Android mobile phone to our Kali Linux machine, we can send commands to that Android mobile phone to do whatever we wanted to do in that Android mobile phone. So all the viewers, I want to tell you one thing to all the viewers. Nowadays Gmail doesn't allow the users to send APK files or exe files through Gmail to another person. So that's why I have maintained my APK file in my Apache 2 server. And what we have to do is just send the victim our virus contained APK. Listen carefully all the viewers. Whenever the victim just click on the link, that Android mobile phone will automatically download the application which is associated with in our server. So that once victim clicks the link, the automatically Android mobile phone will download our virus contained APK. And once it downloaded and installed, we can do everything with that Android mobile. So let us begin the process. Here I have created an APK file. Here I want to tell you about a keyword here. Here NSF console is the framework where we can connect to that Android mobile phone. Regarding the YouTube terms and conditions, here I'm hiding some of the content. Sorry for the interruption guys, but I have to do it. If this video is to be on YouTube, I must hide this content, so that's why I have hide it. If anybody is interested to know what the hidden content, and if anybody interested to know more about hacking, you can contact us through the links given in the description, so please understand. And here whatever the process is to be done through the Kali Linux machine is done in my hacking machine. So let us go to the victim's Android mobile and just download that virus content APK file and just open it, so that we can get their shell and we can gain full access of that Android mobile phone. So let us see just what happens here. Here this is my virtual Android mobile. Let me download the APK from the server. So let me type the link of the APK in my browser. We can see in the notification bar it is downloaded. So let me install that application. As the app is installed, so let us once go back to the Kali Linux machine. What is gonna happen? Here we can see that the reverse connection from that Android mobile phone to our Kali Linux machine is started. This is what we just wanted. And here we can also see the system information. Here the system information means the information of the system what the hacker just hacked. And here on my left of my screen you can see that all the commands here. In this way we can manipulate the Android mobile phone. Here all these are the commands here: user interface commands, webcam commands, audio output commands, Android commands, application controller commands. All these can be done without the knowledge of the user. You can pause my video and read them carefully. And here I have mentioned some of the things here. The hacker can install any app in victim's mobile phone indirectly through their Kali Linux machine. He can also see the installed apps in that Android mobile phone. He can uninstall the specific app without any permission from the Android user. He can get location of that Android user also. He can play an audio file in the target Android machine. He can see live screen in our hacking machine of Android user. And now I'm going to show some of these things using my virtual Android mobile phone. Now I'm going to send an SMS from the Android phone without the knowledge of the Android phone user. Watch the video carefully. In this way, the hackers can manipulate our Android mobile phone without our knowledge. So, viewers and subscribers, please be aware of these kind of threats from the hackers. We can do more videos like this. All we need is just your support. So please do like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wait, the video is just not end. I have promised at the starting of my video I will give a website to the beginning hackers. So here this is the website name. Here you can find the IP addresses of some hackable Android phones. So go through it and just practice the hacking. Here all these are all the IP addresses of some Android mobile phones which can be hacked easily, and you can go through it and can practice a lot. Here all these are all the informations. We can also see the location of that Android mobile phone also using that IP address. In this way the hacker can do everything by using our mobile phone. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and also educate them. Thanks for watching.